we'll guide you through how to use Todoist for Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Todoist app on your Mac. Once it's open, you'll see your dashboard, which is the main hub for managing your tasks. To add a new task, click the plus icon in the top right corner. A task window will pop up where you can type your task name. You can also set a due date by clicking the calendar icon and selecting a date. If you want to add the task to a specific project, click on the project icon and choose the desired project from the list. For adding priority levels, click the flag icon and choose the priority level you want. You can even set recurring tasks by typing in the task window using natural language like every Monday or every last Friday. To organize your tasks better, use labels and filters. Labels help categorize tasks, while filters allow you to create custom views based on specific criteria like due dates or priorities. You can access these by clicking on the Labels or Filters tabs on the left sidebar. If you want to collaborate with others, you can share projects by inviting people via email. Just click on the project, then the share icon, and enter the email addresses. This way, everyone can see tasks and updates in real time. Remember to check the completed tasks section to review what you've accomplished. It's a great way to stay motivated. Finally, for quick access, use the Todoist widget on your Mac's notification center. Just go to the notification center, click Edit, and add the Todoist widget. This allows you to view and add tasks without opening the app. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.